Hello and welcome to the Haas Tip of the Day, where we are covering right now a topic that you need to know. My name is Mark, and today we are avoiding disaster by backing up our part and macro programs. Now, our programs are valuable. If they get lost, it could cost us a lot of time and money. Now, we could copy those programs one at a time from our control onto our USB stick, but that's really time consuming. It'd be better if we could transfer them all at once into a single file, and that's what we're going to do. At the control, I'm going to press List Program, arrow down until we highlight the word All, and press F2. Now, the control has entered all.nc onto the input line. I'm going to select USB device and press Enter again to copy to the root directory. It's copying. Now it's done. Let's take a look at that file on my USB drive. It named that file all.nc automatically. Now it took all of those programs and put them into a single file. That's a whole lot faster than copying 100 files individually one at a time. Now, if we wanted a specific name for our backup, we can do that too. From List Program with All highlighted, we entered the name of our backup first, B-A-C-K-U-P. I'm going to call it Backup. And I did that before I pressed the F2 button. And that's it. It has now created a backup on my USB called Backup. Now we've backed up our user programs from memory onto our USB stick, but we didn't copy our O9000 programs. Those are our custom macros and probing routines. Those were blocked by setting 23. Let's look at that setting now. At the control, I press Setting and enter 23 down arrow. That brings us to our 9000 Program Edit Lock. It's set to On. I'm going to use the right arrow button, switch it to Off, and press Enter. Now, when I press List Program, we can see all of our 9000 series programs. With all of our programs showing, even our 9000 programs, I can again go to the end of my list, highlight the word All, and then press F2, and it's going to copy all my programs into a single file again. This time, that file is going to contain my 9000 programs as well. When it comes time to load these files back onto the machine, it's going to take that single file and extract it into all the different O numbers. Well, it's about time for you to back up the programs from your control. You'll sleep a whole lot better tonight. Well, we have 2 points for you to remember. One, with setting 23 on, you're not going to get any of your 9000 programs onto or off of your control. And number 2, you want to leave setting 23 on. With that off, at some point, you're going to end up accidentally erasing those 9000 programs. Now, if you've already lost your spindle warm-up program, or maybe even those 9000 probing macros, we can take care of you. Those are available at the Haas DIY site at diy.haascnc.com. In fact, we'll link to those in the bonus material at the end of this video. That's it, and thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.